All right. Hey guys, it's Onisha Biggs of PharmacyTechLessons.com. And I wanted to make sure that you guys are in the loop with everything that is going on in our industry, and that you're just aware of everything, okay? We already know what's going on. I hope everyone in their family is well during this whole COVID-19 with coronavirus. We pretty much already know like what's going on there. Let me just share with you like some current news from the PTCB, okay, the PTCB organization, and this is official. All right, so as you know, like a lot of people weren't able to take their exam. PTCB has decided to do something that's going to help you all. Okay. Of course, we work hand in hand with the PTCB organization. Pharmacy Tech Lessons does. We work hand in hand with them to get you guys certified. And what they've decided is they're going to be doing testing. They're going to be doing it actually live and in person from a computer. All right. So you're going to be able to get an online proctored test. All right. So this is going to be coming up within the next month or so just get prepared for that. They are going to have some testing centers that will be opening, but they're going to be very limited. Okay. They may or may not be in your area, but the good news is they will have some areas open so that you can get your certification. All right. I just want you to know, just in a couple of weeks, or in a few weeks, they're going to be opening up the floodgates for you to be able to take tests online, and you're going to be able to take your test and still get certified. Okay, so you're not going to be totally on hold. This is great news. Okay, they're considering this whole, most companies, you have to be what they call essential. All right, so they're considering like the testing centers an essential service. Why? Because they're getting you guys certified, and in return, you're able to take your certification, get a pharmacy job, and get in the pharmacy and serve during this time. Okay, you guys are very, very vital and needed. Okay, so pharmacy techs, pharmacists, pharmacy professionals, you're very, very needed in this time. Okay, so you are in high demand. Let's talk about what's going on in the industry right now. Pharmacy jobs are at a spike. They are high. There are plenty of pharmacy job opportunities out there. The bulk of them want you to be certified. Okay, and I know I've been telling you guys, get your certification, get your certification, get your certification. Listen, I'm an instructor and I still have my certification. Okay, so it's just a good thing to have. Okay, even if you don't work in pharmacy anymore, it's just a good thing to have. Okay, especially in times like this. This is one of the most sought out jobs right now, or sought out industries. Healthcare is like a big, huge umbrella right now. And pharmacy, doesn't matter if it's retail, hospital, pharmacy is in full effect right now. Okay. You guys are needed. If you're looking to get into pharmacy, or if you're already in pharmacy, there's a place for you right now. Okay.